And children around the world love fast food. Why? Because it's tasty and it's fast. So today we're inspired by McDonald's, who has recently rolled out a breakfast burrito muffin. And I'm going to be using one of Nestle's sausages to put in the breakfast burrito. The other parts of this breakfast burrito couldn't be easier. Of course, you need a flour tortilla, and then you need something that's an egg, but we're vegan, it's a vegan cooking school, so we're actually using something called Gloria, and that is our powdered vegan, our egg replacement. You just mix this with a little bit of plant milk or water, and then it becomes a scramble. And now, let's cook it. Now these sausages come in large links, and I just fried one up in a pan and then chopped it into small bits. Doesn't that give some beautiful browning action? And then of course, for some color and for some also great flavor and texture, I have some chopped cherry tomatoes and I have jalapenos. You could use green pepper, but I like a little bit of heat. And then any type of vegan cheese that you like, I have this shredded. This is just a Gouda, and I have my pan heating up, and now I'm gonna be making my scramble. Just pour in that Gloria. Look at how nicely that Gloria is coming together and looking so scramble-like. Now I'm just gonna pop in that vegan cheese. Of course, our Nestle sausages, very high in protein. There's a lot of flavor in there already. If you wanted some smoky flavor, you could put in some chorizo, and then our tomatoes and our jalapenos. Now we're ready to stuff them. So just take them off, put them in your flour tortilla, wrap that up, and you are golden. Look at those. You can even spoon a little bit extra on just to have it coming out, being delicious and showing that extra special burrito goodness just oozing out, getting ready for your mouth. So there you have your breakfast burrito sausage with the Nestle sausage in it, of course with the flour tortilla, the Gloria from free from that, and then any veggies and vegan cheese.